technews.com, and I'm taking a look at the WoPad, which is running on a Rockchip RK2818. That's a 600 MHz CPU. I think it has 256 megabytes of RAM and 4 GB flash memory. And this is it a 10-inch display? Is it 10-inch? No, I think it's 7-inch. This is definitely 7-inch. But 1024 by 600, I guess, is the resolution. And it's running Android 2.1. Capacitive multi-touch screen, by the way. It's very light, you know. That's definitely my first impression. I think it's like 360 or 380 grams. That's what they're saying on their website, at least. And it goes for $150 US. Let's take a quick look around the system. Looks a little bit like the iPad 3G on the back, right? It comes with stereo speakers. We have a volume control over here. That's a microphone, and I think that's the power button. This is for a 3G. Yeah, it should be for a 3G card. Micro USB, not micro USB, micro SD card. That's a connector for your headset, a PSU, and this is a micro USB. Is this an HDMI? No. This is a regular USB, right? HDMI. Holy shit! I did too many videos today. I'm sorry about that, and I'm not going to edit this one here right now. We just need to go on and figure out what the WoPad can do for us. Oh, here we go. So I think this is running Android 2.1. As I said, it has a capacitive multi-touch screen, and wow, that's actually very responsive. And let's take a quick look what kind of applications are pre-installed. So it comes also with a Google Marketplace access. Of course, it has 3G capabilities, so this is going to get rid of this application or limitation to access the Google Marketplace due to this. Let's run a quick quadrant benchmark to see what the performance looks like on the Rockchip RK2818. Okay, how about the system informations first? There we go. Oh, sorry guys, it's 800 by 480 the resolution, so it's not 1024 by 600. Again, it's super cheap, $150 US. Oh, so we can't run the full benchmark. Not supported stencil buffers. Let's run a custom benchmark. Okay. No, only available in the advanced and professional edition of the Quadrant benchmark. So sorry about that. That means no benchmarks with this device. How about opening the video player and see if there are already some files over here? There's a 720p video file. Let's take a look at this. Oops. I thought these were the buttons for the volume control, but obviously. Okay. That's looking very decent. You know, if I'm not wrong, then I think that the Rockchip RK2818 is using the Mali GPU. But you know what, we're still going to look this up, and we'll add this to our article around this video file here. But that looks, as I said, very decent, very smooth, and but that should do it. Let's get rid of this one here. Okay, how can I go back? Maybe here. Yep, that's what it is. So 720p playback is no problem at all, and I'm pretty sure that it can also easily run 1080p local file video playback. How about the Android version, just to double check it? I'm sure that this is the Android 2.1. It is Android 2.1. So besides that, the GUI looks pretty, yeah, generic. Pre-installed applications over here are, well, just a couple of them, right? Let's check out the browser and to see if we can do some pinch to zoom and all this stuff. So we're going over to our favorite website, which is netbooknews.com, of course. Here we go. Oh, how about this? That makes sense. Come on, Wi-Fi.
It's interesting that the volume is physically integrated into the bar at the top. That's interesting.
It is. So I'm still wondering about these keys over here, because actually this this is for settings.
Yeah.
Oh, the menu. This is the back key.
Yeah. So it's definitely not standard Android.
No.
Set up there.
Okay. You know what? Let's get over to the website of our friends from Shenzai.com. Let's see if that one is loading, because the Wi-Fi connection seems to be pretty poor here right now. So if that's not working, let's check out the accelerometer. Yay, the accelerometer is working. That's fantastic. And let's go to google.com in English, and maybe we can just check out the Google News. How about pinch to zoom? Well, pinch to zoom does work, definitely. Pretty good. And you know what, actually, now it's loading Shenzai.com. So we can finally take a look at the website and see how the scrolling works. Here we go. Yay, finally. Oh, come on. Here we go. You know what, this is just to give you some more impression of the build quality. This is an aluminum case. It feels pretty good. 7-inch form factor, something that I really like. It's very mobile, so you can still carry it around with you. And finally, we also have the website of Shenzai.com loaded. And okay, double tap means zoom in and zoom out. So that works. Even though it's still loading, the performance is pretty good. Right? It's definitely faster than an ARM11 platform. Okay, now it's fully loaded, so pinch to zoom is no problem at all. Scrolling through this side, it's very smooth, and yeah, quite interesting system. Dead cheap. I mean, that's $150 US. So you shouldn't expect to have the same performance as an ARM Cortex A8 or an NVIDIA Tegra or Samsung Hummingbird or whatnot. But for what you're paying for, I think you're really getting a whole lot of tablet, a really cool device. This is the WoPad for $150 US, 7-inch Android 2.1 system. I'm Sasha from netbooknews.com. Thanks for watching.